Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. His life flashed in front of his eyes. Do you think he was on his phone? I thought she was turning into a driveway. Beautiful day for a drive. Not a care in the world.
A few moments later.
Jesus.
Bike lane can be used as a personal car lane. Who gave him a car?
When I go there, he's gonna be my tour guide.
So in other words, when you were in Utah, how did you dress up? Like, what'd you do? Holy mother of what the f?
Witnessed someone blow a stop sign and pull some movie-grade maneuvers. Looks like someone didn't really quite avoid the road work ahead sign. I finally caught one on my way to work yesterday. He didn't even try to stop at the stop sign. That was almost very expensive. It's like their software crashed after encountering an error.
Near like.
What do I do? What do I do?
What do you?
How do I turn?
I'm so confused as to like, it's just a normal 2-lane road, like.
Some people just think they're more important than others. Just too important to wait for the next turn signal. This This is why you get good uninsured driver coverage.
What
Oh
the
my
idiot?
This idiot tries to get crushed by a semi. Why is this idiot texting while cutting across 6 lanes? I wish there was someone authorized to stop red light runners and warn them not to run red lights anymore. Congratulations, you played yourself. Looks like they were trying to see what was ahead, while forgetting to look behind as well. Guaranteed she thought she had to turn right because she misread her GPS. Looks like someone's van was in the way, but what was going on here to begin with? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.